Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We are going to be making some glam spring home decor items. So what you're going to need, you're going to need the bulk rhinestone embellishment packet from Totally Dazzled. I have two of the rhinestone bows here. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this silver glitter. This is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, I have an array of glassware here. Got a hurricane. I've got these two little glass tumblers. I also have a square mini vase. And from Amazon, I picked up this rhinestone ribbon. I will try to remember to have a link for this rhinestone ribbon down in the description box below for you guys as well. Now, I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of these components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete these beautiful projects, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam spring home decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make, very budget friendly and economical. Now, this beautiful ribbon that I have here, this crystal ribbon, is such a beautiful product, and I will go ahead and try to link this ribbon from Amazon down in the description box below for you guys. Now, one little user tip on this ribbon: it has an adhesive backing on it. So if you plan on using this like I do more than one time, there is a little plastic film that's on there. I would leave that on there if you plan on reusing the ribbon. But you will need to rough that little plastic protective coating on it. You'll need to rough it up with, like, say, an emery board or, say, a little piece of sandpaper. That way your hot glue will adhere to it. Otherwise, it's just too slick for the hot glue. But otherwise, I love that ribbon. Yeah, and so didn't they turn out great though, you guys? I love the little candle holders. They're very glammy and elegant. And then you have that hurricane there that you can use as a vase or a hurricane. The little gift box, I will be making it as a lighted gift box. So I'll be using either fairy lights or tea lights to light this little gift box, but they all turned out absolutely beautifully. And you can use them not even just for spring, but any time of year for your home decor. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.